Hi guys, and welcome back to Light of My Heart Soaps. Today we're going to be making coconut cream soap. This soap includes coconut milk and cocoa butter. So it's nice and creamy and luxurious for the skin. This soap has no fragrance in it. For those of you who love the smell of just natural soap, this is for you. I will be leaving the recipe for this soap down below in the description box so you can check that out. And continue watching for the making of this video. So, in my bucket, I have olive oil, coconut oil, canola oil, castor oil, shea butter, and cocoa butter. And here's my other additives, and as well as my lye water solution. So, I have some colloidal oatmeal, coconut milk. This is my bentonite clay, and this is my lye water mixture. And so, to achieve this soap, I used half the amount of water needed to mix my lye. I believe it was about 9.5 ounces. And then I used about 10 ounces for the water, and then 9.5 ounces of the coconut milk. And I put a little dash of water to kind of help thin it out a bit. So what I'm going to do, and I'm soaping right now at about 100 degrees. Oh, my oils and my lye mixture cool down to about 100 degrees. So first thing is I'm going to add the colloidal oatmeal to my oils. So in there, all that goodness. Stick blender. I'll get it underneath the stick blender. Burp it a little bit. Air bubbles out of it. Alrighty. So next I'm going to add my bentonite clay. Oh, this is bentonite clay and a bit of kaolin clay. So it's starting to thicken back up on me. I like using bentonite clay in recipes. It gives the soap a nice slip. I use bentonite clay a lot in my household. I use it for my hair. I'll take a lot of clay baths. Alright, and so next we're going to add the lye water solution. My bucket's getting pretty full here, and I'm going to actually go and strain it. Move it where you guys can see. So my lye water solution is going to be a bit thick because I'm going to use half the amount of water. I'm going to pour that in there. Alright. We got a very thin trace here. Alright. So now I'm going to add my coconut milk, which is mixed with a little bit of water to help thin it out some. You see, this is definitely thickening up pretty quickly. more. It looks so creamy. I believe this is well mixed up. So now I'm going to get my mold and we'll pour it in. Alright, so this is my mold. Here, just going to go and just pour it in. Take off the clips. So this is my coconut cream milk soap. I hope you guys enjoy watching the making of it. I may come back and texture the top, we'll see. But stay tuned for the cutting of this soap. Alright guys, I'm back. I'm going to texture the top of the soap. It seems like it's holding some little peaks there nicely. So I'm going to texture the top. Alrighty. This is how the soap textured. I'm liking the look of that. Alright, so I'll be back to cut this soap probably within a few days. Maybe within a week, depending on how busy my school schedule gets. Before I go, I'm going to spray the top with a little rubbing alcohol. Cut down soda ash. Alright, so I'm back to cut my coconut cream soap. I have it here. I've taken the parchment paper out and placed it back inside the mold. So just gonna cut this way first. Use some pressure. Literally they stick to the blade here. Pull it off. Alright. It's still a little sticky. I actually believe it's about a week old at this point. So slide it. That's why. Okay, there we go. So right now my college football team is winning against my boss's favorite team. And so he's a little upset. This is really fun. I'm not at work. But someone texted me and told me about it. I was like, yay! Since he's always dragging on my school and your team. So here's the soap all cut up. And I did notice it was still a bit sticky even after I think it's been about a week. Because I had to travel. It is fall break for my school, so I had to travel. And I actually brought this with me. So, but we're going to take one out here. So here it is. Coconut cream soap. There's no fragrances, no colorants, just the soap. It smells lovely. It has a slight oatmeal scent because I did add the colloidal oatmeal to it. I'm gonna go and I'm actually gonna leave some here at my family home for my mom, for my surrogate mom. So it smells amazing. It has a slight oatmeal scent from the colloidal oatmeal that I added. I will leave, I think, 1 or 2 bars here for my mom to use, and then I'll have the rest put up online once they're ready, once they're fully cured. So we are quite nice. They smell really good. So you guys can see, I'm just sitting here on some parchment paper. Here's one from here's like a corner. So a little corner piece here. They are absolutely gorgeous. So, alright guys, I hope you enjoy watching the making and cutting of my coconut cream soap. If you did, please hit the like button down below. Subscribe to the channel for more soap making videos.